flathead. But no, you should be good now. And I see on here there's some Phillips screws, so I'm kind of excited when I get it off to see if it's openable.
Yeah.
And if we can see any damage on the inside.
Oh, I would like to see that.
Yeah. Because, yeah, the inside of it seems like that's where the heat was coming from when I came. So we can look in there, hopefully. Unless sometimes they put those screws there, but they still mold the plastic. So then the only way in is a sledgehammer. But since we're throwing it away, I also have a sledgehammer. So that's an option as well.
Some coloration? Or
yeah, like soot or dark area for sure. This plastic is just a thermoplastic that doesn't melt. But on the inside, it's just going to be contacts and springs. And if those springs wear down, that can cause it. But we'll see.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Yeah, that's.
But once you get it down, you get it down.
Yeah.
From there on in.
Come on. There we go. Click. 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 Let's see. Factory seal. Can't return it anymore. Oop, there we go. So that's a little arc chute. So that's in the off position. That's on. Oh yeah.
You can see it.
Yep. So these are the little arc chutes. And yeah, if you look at C phase.
Yeah.
See down there?
Oh yeah, it's
all dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's causing it, huh?
Just to get a little bit warmer.
It looks like a spark plug arc.
Yep.
Like something was arcing all the time.
Yeah, and so as it gets dirty, it's going to make more resistance.
Wow.
And then the more resistance is going to make a little more current and the heat, and that'll open the magnetic trip. Oh. So, I mean, you know, in like a survival situation, I could have opened this up, taken that out, and cleaned it and then put it back. But it's like the thing is so old. It's had so many years in service. You might as well just swap them.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah, that thermal camera doesn't lie. It's really nice. Like it, because if it was a problem with the screw holding it to the bus, we'd see all the heat right here. But when I did the scan, the heat was coming out of these chutes and on this black plastic here, which is like, okay, it's inside. But yeah, perfect. Problem solved.